Android 15 is set to launch on October 15, initially rolling out to Google Pixel devices. Delayed for its usual Monday release due to Columbus Day, this update marks the first specifically optimized for Google's Tensor chip and the final major update for the Pixel 6 series. Once Android 15 is live, Samsung is expected to quickly follow with its One UI 7 update. While the beta program hasn't launched yet, reports suggest testing is advancing and we could see a beta release around the Samsung Developer Conference 2024. Samsung typically rolls out betas in major regions like the US, Germany, and South Korea. Meanwhile, Samsung recently released One UI 6.10, now available for devices like the Galaxy S23 and Z Fold 5, enhancing Galaxy AI for smarter features. The full One UI 7 rollout may take a few months, but Galaxy users have plenty to look forward to. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and stay tuned for more updates.